Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add picture on WhatsApp group. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see. Now firstly, open your WhatsApp account. Now you can see. Then we can open show the new interface. Now you can see. Now click from group. Now select from all friend in the profile. Click from add community icon. Now select. Now click from upload from picture. Now you can see. Then select from desktop. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click from open option. Now click from tick mark. That it's. Now you can see already add the profile picture in the WhatsApp group. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.